Birds, name and sounds. Hello there! I hope everyone's doing great. This is canary. 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 The canary is a small songbird. This is pelican. 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 These aquatic birds have very long beaks. This is a swan. 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 These birds are generally quite large, with long, curved necks. This is an eagle. 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 Eagles are some of the largest birds. Eagles have amazing eyesight and can detect prey up to 2 miles away. This is a mallard duck. Mallard duck. Mallard duck. Mallards are foragers. This is a dove. 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 The symbolism of these birds varies from culture to culture. They represent the symbols for love, peace, and hope. This is a cockatoo. 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 These parrots are highly sociable nature birds. They need to be around people. This is a pigeon. 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 Their navigational skills make pigeons great long-distance messengers. This is a parrot. 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 Most parrots live in tropical areas. They can imitate many sounds, and they are the most intelligent birds out there. This is a hummingbird. 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 The hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. This is a flamingo. 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 Flamingo legs can be longer than their entire body. This is a sparrow. 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 This is a toucan. 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 This is a kookaburra. 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 They are most vocal on sunrise and sunset. This is an owl. 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 They are solitary birds. This is an hornbill. 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 They are characterized by a long down curved bill, which is frequently brightly colored bill. Review: canary, pelican, swan, eagle, mallard duck, dove, cockatoo, pigeon, parrot, hummingbird, flamingo, sparrow, toucan, kookaburra, owl, hornbill. That's everything for today. I hope you enjoy it. If it's so, please leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell. See you next time here in my channel. Bye for now!